Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. There are so many different types of cough medicines that are in the market today that it can be exhausting trying to pick one. This is not to mention if you are trying to pick one while you are already sick. Yet with powerful medication also comes powerful side effects. Today we will discuss an easy, natural way to manage symptoms of the common cold. This natural medication consists of only 2 ingredients, ginger and thyme. There are no harmful chemicals added to it. Ginger is one ingredient that is in this mixture. Ginger has a vast amount of medicinal qualities, including managing an upset stomach from motion sickness, eating too much, or chemotherapy. Ginger also contains many essential nutrients that help to repair and recover your body quickly. Thyme is the other ingredient. The oil contained in the thyme sprigs is full of medicinal qualities, such as acting as an antibiotic and an antiseptic. This means that thyme helps to kill germs and infections within the body. Given the powerfulness of these 2 ingredients, it is no surprise that the mixture of them can rival any over-the-counter cough medicine. In order to make this recipe, you will need 5 sprigs of fresh organic thyme, 2 slices of fresh organic ginger, and water. Simply place the sprigs of thyme and slices of ginger in a mug. Pour boiling water into the mug and allow to steep for approximately 10 minutes. If desired, strain prior to consuming. The same ginger and thyme can be used up to 3 additional times prior to being discarded. Let us know. Have you tried any natural remedies for the common cold? Have you tried this tea? Give it a try and let us know in the comments section. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.